how are you? I hope that you are all fine and safe at your home also. Okay my friend, in the previous lecture we had learned several kind of things related to R2 plan, right? It means we solved the inequality with help of R2 plan. But now suppose again one variable is given and inequality is given in both sides. So let us start with this kind of different example. So we start with a simple solution. Solve -8 is less than or equals to 5x minus 3 and less than 7. So let us solve it. How to solve? See here, when the question is related to solution, then always find x. चलो શું કરવાનું જોઈ લઈએ. First of all, try to remove this -3. It means in inequality we have to find x, right? So first of all we try to remove this -3. How can we remove? Add 3 on both sides. So add 3 in inequality. So when you add 3, then you have to add 3 in this all three terms. Add 3 here, add 3 here and add 3 there. It means let us add 3 in this inequality. So add 3 in given inequality. Then what we write? I think you understand that. Here I have to write -8 plus 3 less than or equal to 5x and less than or equal to 7 plus 3. I hope you understand that when I add 3 here, -3 plus 3 cancel. Our question is to find the value of x. Okay, therefore I say that here is -5 less than or equal to 5x and less than or equal to 10. Now we need x, so divide this inequality by 5. Okay, તમે એવું કહ્યું ને, this 5 is going on both sides, so I have to write that -5 by 5 less than or equal to x. Sorry, here only less than is there, not equality. So less than 10 by 5, right? And therefore this is -1 less than or equal to x is less than 2. So it means what? X is exactly lies between -1 to 2. -1 close to open. So -1 close to open is the answer, right? So therefore solution is what? Solution is this, -1 close open 2. Now my friends, sometimes what happen? Set of two inequalities is given. It means is known as what we say? Known as two different linear inequalities. It means family of two linear inequalities. Let us see. So system of linear inequalities. System of linear inequality. In one variable, right? Let us see one example. Example is this: 3x minus 7 less than 5 plus x and 11 minus 5x is less than or equal to 1. My friend, what is meaning of this? System of linear inequality in one variable. System means there are two linear inequalities, so that's why is known as system. तो सिस्टम को कैसे सोल्व करेंगे? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव टू सोल्व द फर्स्ट इनइक्वालिटी, दैट आफ्टर सोल्विंग सेकंड इनइक्वालिटी एंड दैट आफ्टर बाय टेकिंग इंटरसेक्शन ऑफ बोथ टू. इट मीन्स वी हैव टू सॉल्व फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इंडिविजुअली बोथ इनइक्वालिटी. तो ये इनइक्वालिटी इंडिविजुअली सॉल्व होगी, फिर ये इनइक्वालिटी भी इंडिविजुअली सॉल्व होगी एंड दैट आफ्टर वी विल टेक इंटरसेक्शन ऑफ बोथ and then solution will be there. Let us see what happened. So interesting thing is this here. 3x minus 7 is less than 5 plus x. And another inequality I write once again, 11 minus 5x is less than or equal to 1. Okay, so that's why first of all terms of x let us write here. So 3x minus x This plus x is going on that side. Here 5 and minus 7 we may write that side. So 5 plus 7. That's why 2x is less than 12. And my friend, what we say? X is less than 6. Not only that, I think now you know very well that the meaning is x belongs to minus infinite to 6 is the solution related to the first inequality only, not solution of the system. Remember that. And now let us solve this side. So 1 is going on that side, 11 or minus 5x. I just write here as it is, and 11 I write on that side. So 1 minus 11, just plus 11 is going on that side. So 1 minus 11 is there. And therefore minus 5x is less than or equal to minus 10, dear, minus 10. And now remove negative sign. You know that when we remove negative sign, 5x can be written as greater or equal than 10. I think now you know it very well. And therefore what about x? X is greater or equal than 2, my friend. It means that x is lies between close to open infinite. Yes, close to open infinite. Now what is solution? Let us draw the number line. As we know, first solution is minus infinite to 6 open. Okay, 2 is here somewhere, 2 is here somewhere, and 6, 3, 4, 5 and 6, right? Here is plus infinite, here is minus infinite. What about first solution side? See, minus infinite to 6. Minus infinite to 6. This is the first solution set. Second solution set is 2 to infinite. This 2 to infinite. I repeat once again, 2 to infinite is this. Minus infinite to 6 is this. What about common in both? Yes, here is the common portion. See, my friend, this is the common portion in both solution side. So our solution is lies between 2 to 6, but 6 is not in the solution, where 2 is in the solution. That's why we know that here we have to draw as a dark circle, and this line is the solution. So what is solution set? Solution set of the system. Now I say that of the system. Yes, so solution set of the system. Minus infinite to 6 intersect with 2 to infinite, and finally the answer is close to open 6. Okay, my friend. So this kind of examples are there in miscellaneous exercise. So let us start miscellaneous exercise now. So miscellaneous exercise 6. Exercise number 6. Let us start with this. Exercise 6. Solve the following. Solve the following. Example number 1 to 6. Example number 1 to 6. Let us solve with the first question. First question is this. 2 is less than or equal to 3x minus 4 and less than or equal to 5. तो चलो first શું કરવાનું? What we have to do? This minus 4, let us add on both sides. So here I can write that 2 plus 4 less than or equal to 3x less than or equal to 5 plus 4. Why? The reason is add 4 on both sides. Add 4 on both sides. Now what is this? This is 6 less than or equal to 3x is less than or equal to 9. Nothing to do, just my friend, this 4 is going on that side. Constant pehla remove kari nakho. So that's why I add 4. And now finding x. So divide by 3. So I think now you easily know that 6 divided by 3 less than or equal to x. Less than or equal to 9 divided by 3. And 6 by 3 is 2, you know that. So 2 is less than or equal to x is less than or equal to 3. So therefore x lies between closed interval 2 to 3, and this is your solution. So there is nothing to do, is very easy question. Second question. See here, second question. 6 is less than or equal to minus 3 into bracket 2x minus 4 and less than 12, right? Let us solve it. What we have to do first? I think let us solve it. 6 is less than or equal to minus 6x and minus minus plus 12 less than 12. Okay, now what to do? You know that first of all remove this 12. So subtract 12, not add. Subtract 12 from the inequality. 12 from the inequality. What we get? So let us subtract. So 6 minus 12 less than or equal to minus 6x less than 12 minus 12. So my dear friend, this is minus 6 less than or equal to minus 6x less than 0. Now nothing to do. Divide by minus 6. Remember that dividing by minus 6, what happened? So dividing by minus 6, you know that inequality must be changed, my friend. Minus 6 by minus 6 greater or equal than minus 6x by minus 6 greater than 0 by minus. When you divide by negative sign, inequality must be changed. Here is 1, here is x, here is 0. Finally, actually x lies between 0 to 1, my friend, right? Because it can be written as 0 less than x less than or equal to 1. I hope you understand this. So it's very easy question, but it's related to this. Now third one. Third question is minus 3 less than or equals to 4 minus 7x by 2, see, and less than or equal to 18. Yes, less than or equal to 18. So is the similar question. First of all, we remove this 4. How can we remove? Subtract 4. So subtract 4 from inequality, from the inequality. What we get? I can say that here is minus 3 minus 4. Here, यहाँ पे 4 remove करते हैं. Then what is the remaining term? Minus 7x by 2 less than or equal to, my friend, 18 minus 4 is very easy thing. अब क्या होगा? Now nothing to do. Let us solve it once again. So therefore this is minus 7. ये minus 7 हो गया. This is less than or equal to minus 7x by 2 and less than or equal to 14. Right? Now these 2 is going on that side. See, then this 2 is multiplied there. Therefore I can say that 2 into minus 7 less than or equal to minus 7 and less than or equal to 2 into 14. Right? 2 is multiplying here, 2 is multiplying there. તમે જેમ કહો છો ને સામે સામે ક્રોસ પ્રોડક્ટ થઈ જાય. So therefore is minus 14 less than or equal to minus 7x less than or equal to 28. Now what to do? Now dividing it by minus 7. So dividing by minus 7. अब नेगेटिव साइन से डिवाइड होता है. Then inequality must be changed, my friend. So minus 14 डिवाइड बाय minus 7, this one. अब ये इनइक्वालिटी चेंज हो जाएगी. ग्रेटर और इक्वल देन minus 7x बाय minus 7, ग्रेटर और इक्वल देन 28 बाय minus 7. राइट? नाउ दिस इज 2, नेगेटिव नेगेटिव पॉजिटिव, ग्रेटर और इक्वल देन दिस इज x and is greater or equal than minus 4, but we may write in that order. So minus 4 less than or equal to x is less than or equal to, my friend, and therefore this x lies between minus 4 to 2. This is the answer. X belongs to minus 4 to 2 is the answer, my friend. So I think now you understand it very easily, this one. Okay. Now the next example number 4. This example is minus 15 less than 3 times x minus 2 by 5 and less than or equal to 0, right? तो ये तो बहुत easy है. This 5, first of all let me write on this side. So multiplying by 5, then what? Remember that when we multiplying by 5, then this is 5 into minus 15 less than 5 into 3x minus 6 by 5. I can write this. I hope you understand that this 3 just multiply there. Less than or equal to, this is 5 into 0. Here 5 cancel. Here is minus 75 less than 3x minus 6. And again here 5 into 0 is 0. Now is very easy. Add 6. Then what happen? Then is minus 75 plus 6 less than 3x. Okay, यहाँ भी add होगा 0 plus 6. What is minus 75 plus 6? I hope you know that is minus 69 less than 3x is less than or equal to 6. Now dividing by 3, right? 3 is the positive number, so when we dividing by positive 3, then is minus 69 by 3 less than x less than or equal to 6 by 3. This is what? This is minus 23 less than x. 23 3s are 69. I hope you know that. Less than or equal to 2. And therefore x lies between minus 23 open and 2 close. Which is the solution? Which is the solution set actually, right? So this kind of examples are there. I think you easily solve this kind of question. So question number 5 in homework. Okay, try to solve yourself. And now in the next lecture we will deal with the another example. Thank you very much.